Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Start by confirming your Chrome device and TV are on the same Wi-Fi and that the Chromecast or TV's casting feature is powered and visible. You'll want the latest Chrome updates because version mismatches block protocols. Once done, plug the Chromecast into HDMI and power, then switch the TV to that HDMI input. This ensures the hardware and network layers are ready so the next step, initiating a cast from your computer, can succeed without a connectivity surprise. Open Chrome and click the three-dot menu, then choose Cast to find available devices. You do this because the browser advertises media syncs over the network. Select whether to cast a tab, your entire desktop, or a specific file, depending on whether you need audio or just a browser window. Once you pick the target device, adjust quality or audio settings if the dialog offers them. This balances performance versus resolution, which matters if your Wi-Fi is congested or you need low latency. When you're finished, end casting from the cast icon or close the tab to release the stream. This clears system resources and prevents background playback. If video stutters or lags, make sure you're on a 5 GHz network or reduce stream quality, because wireless interference reduces throughput. If the TV or Chromecast doesn't appear, restart the router, the Chromecast, and your Chrome device in that order to reset network discovery. This simple power cycle fixes most connectivity and discovery issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.